Hi, I'm Erandi Dodamwala, the Chief Operating Officer at UCL. Today I'm going to talk about our MSc Digital Marketing Communications program. You must be a professional who has already dabbled in digital marketing, maybe in your workplace, maybe on a short-term program, and has developed the liking towards digital marketing. This is the ideal program if you're aspiring to get into the next level in digital marketing. The Digital Marketing Communications program is offered by the University of Central Lancashire in the UK, which is highly respected and reputed in the UK, one of the oldest universities of about 200 years of a history, and has been rated as the University of the Year by the EduFuturist Awards in the last year. It's also rated 5-star ratings in terms of teaching, employability, and so many other parameters. Most important thing about the program is the applicability to the industry. If you know, digital marketing is an ever-evolving subject. The MSc Digital Marketing Communications program has a lot of interesting subject areas. Especially the Contemporary Digital Marketing Communications module covers the tools, technologies, and the know-how you need to know when you perform a digital marketing role. We also talk about strategy in digital marketing and social media marketing with the latest knowledge and industry know-how with our academic panel as well as the guest lecturers we invite. Most importantly, we talk about the consumer psychology in digital era, which I think most of the programs does not cover in Sri Lanka at the moment. Most importantly, you touch on the research area as well. I believe for you to become a strong digital marketer, you should know your consumer better, as well as you should have an aptitude for research. So we cover all of this content not only to provide you an academic qualification only, but also to give you that industry exposure with a well-versed academic panel we have who comes from industry with a wealth of industry experience and knowledge. So that actually gives the students the opportunity to not only learn about the theoretical aspects, the fundamentals, but also learn about the applicability and how it works in the real life. So we invite the professionals who have years of experience in the digital marketing industry as well as the newcomers to the industry to join with us in the upcoming intake to complete your MSc in Digital Marketing Communications at UCL with the University of Central Lancashire.